Das Oniap Intermediate Advanced Tap Combination from our Lifetime All Access Pass at UnitedTaps.com. That's what you're going to learn in this video. Be sure to watch to the end to find out how to get the music and the written notes all for free. Before we jump in, let's take a look. Well, there you have it. Let's learn this. All right, so this one's a lot more low-key. Let's break it down. Starting with the right foot, stomp, spank, toe and step, heel, heel, toe stamp, and then toe and step, heel. I'll do that again. Stomp, spank both. That's right step and left toe. Stomp, spank both, heel, heel, toe stamp, and then both. That's a right toe and left step, both heel. 7, 8, 1, 2, and E, and 4, E. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and E, and 4, E. Faster. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and E, and 4, E. From there, hold 5. Dig, dig, spank, toe, stamp. So that's 5, E, and 6. Toe to toe, dig to toe, hold, heel, heel. So the last part was toe to toe, hold, heel, heel. So let's go back from 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and 6. Ready, go. Dig, dig, spank, toe, stamp, toe to toe, dig to toe, hold, heel, heel. With counts, 6, ready, and 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and 6, again, 6, ready, and 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and Cool, let's connect at top. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 4, E, 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and Again, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 4, E, 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and Hold 1. And 2, that's just a cramp roll stamp. Toe and step, that's left foot stepping and right foot toe. Toe and step, heel, heel, toe and step, heel, heel. Hold, left foot cramp roll stamp. So I'm going to show that again. That's 1, E, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, E, and 6. Again, 6, 7, and 1, E, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, E, and 6. Spank toe and heel at the same time, both, and then toe by itself. Spank both toe, and from there, toe and step, left toe, right step, left heel. So, boom, ba, that's both heel. Spank both toe, both heel. So again, that slow-mo, spank both toe, both heel. Again, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, oops, sorry, I did that again. 6, ready, go. 7 and 80. Again, 6, ready, go. 7 and 80. Now we'll go back to hold a cramp, roll, stamp, bam, both heel, heel, both heel, heel. 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, E, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, E, and 6, 7 and 80. Yeah, we're going to do that again. 6, ready, go. 1, E, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, E, and 6, 7, and 80. Cool. Now we're going to connect it back from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 4, E, 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, E, and 6, 7, and 80. Woo, boy. We're going to try that again. 6, ready, and 1, 2, and 4, E, 5, E, and 6, and 8, E, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and E, and 6, 7, and 80. From there, scuffle, step, heel, toe, dig, toe, stamp, repeat. Scuffle, step, heel, toe, dig, toe, stamp. So the scuffle, step, heel, it's the left heel dropping. Again, ready, Go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Sorry, that should be a stamp. Let's do that again. Ready? Go. Scuffle, step, heel, toe, dig, toe, stamp. Scuffle, step, heel, toe, dig, toe, stamp. We're going to do that a few more times just for me because at speed it's tricky, at least for me. 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and again. 6. Ready? Go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. From here, spank, toe and touch. So left foot toe, right foot touch. Spank both, stamp. Spank both, that's left step, right toe, heel, heel. Spank both, stamp, spank both, heel, heel. Again, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, again, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. Yeah, I guess we do it twice. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. From here, step and toe, right step, left toe, and a heel. We're going to do that 4 times. Both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, heel. Then we're going to do a left toe and a right toe tip. Both, left chug and right step, both. So that's both, both. Again, the ending, both, both. So that whole last part, both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, both. Let's try that slowly. 6, 7, and both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, both. Again, 6, 7, and both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, heel, both, both. Nice! Now we're going to rewind. Scuffle, step, heel, toe, dig, toe. Everybody's favorite. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. 1, I lost my counts. 1 and a E and 5E, a 7, 8. Those are going to be your technical counts. 1 and a E and 5E, a 7, 8. Cool. We're going to connect tap. So we have the 1, a 2, 1, a 2, and a E and 4E. Now we got the flow. 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, and a E and 4E. 5, E and a 6, and a E and a E and a 1, and a 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, E and a 6, a 7, and 8E. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, and a E and a 7, 8. Woo, my counts are funky. 1 and a E and 5E, a 7, 8. There we go. And to finish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triplet, 6 triplet, boom. That's just, this is the easy part. Heel, 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 heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 7 and a 1. Or 5 up and 7 up and 1. Ta-da! You made it to the end. We should try this again. Let's go back to, you notice when we got to this, 1 and a 2 and a 3, relative to the rest, is fast. So let's go from there, but maybe a bit slow. 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. 1 and a E and 5E, a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 and 1. Hey, beautiful. Let's do that again. Same thing. 6, 5, 6, 7. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, a 8. 1 and a E and 5E, a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 and 1. Cool. Alright, let's do the whole thing. Good luck to you. Good luck to me. Lots of good luck to me, hopefully. 6, 5, 6, 7, 1, a 2, and a and 4, E, 5, E, and a 6, and a E, and 8, E, and a 1, and a 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, E, and a 6, a 7, and 8, E. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, a 7, and 8, 1, and a E and 5, E, a 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, and 1. think. Yes, here we go. 6. Ready, go. 1, 2, and and 4, E5, and 6, and and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and E, and 5, E, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, and 1. If you're having a great time, you're going to love our lifetime all-access pass at UnitedTaps.com. It has a solid core curriculum that will build your skills cumulatively from lesson to lesson, plus a bunch of bonus content, tons of choreography, workout videos, practice exercises, and a whole lot more. You can find that at the link down below. I think you'll really enjoy it. All right, my friends, let's give this a shot with the music. All right, beautiful. So let's start at -10. See how we do, and we'll try to work up to real speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The song is very chill. The footwork is, I mean, it's not like, but it's complicated, but it's sort of chill in a way. If you don't think about the complication, if you just think about the energy of the steps, it's a little bit more chill. I think so. Let's just try it again. -10. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's jump it up to -5% now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Challenging. Let's try it again at the -5 speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's try real speed and see what happens. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try again. Yes. Yeah, same thing, same speed. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. This one's all you, my friends. I'm gonna let you do this one on your own, then we'll come together for one final time at real speed. 5, 6, 7, go! We just need a little crash cymbal on that. All right, let's hit it one more time, all together, my friends. Good luck, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to get the music and the notes for free, just click on that link down below. I appreciate you tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.